I can.
Oh, he don't even turn on. Oh yeah, there it is. We're going to turn off the coolant so we don't have all that nonsense splashing all over us. We're in memory, and I like current commands, because here's the deal. This is display. In current commands, it's showing me my actual feeds and speeds, my programmed speeds and feeds, what tool is in the spindle, what active G and M codes I have, my position, and I can even change what I have up here. I'm going to work off my work coordinate positions. He's going to activate G54 here real quick. See it? In his program. So if I go 5% of rapid, memory, in cycle start, it should come up. And check this out. I got all the time in the world because I'm running 5% of rapid. The faster the rapid, the faster things happen. Spindle's on and it's coming down. I'm thinking, hey, this looks like it's going where it's supposed to go.
Did you plug in RPM?
Yes, he plugged in 1500. So when I get down close to the part, I just hit feed hold. That's this button right here. I've hit feed hold. This machine ain't going to go nowhere until I hit cycle start again, okay? So right now I got all the time in the world. I can visit with y'all. We can talk about things. Or I can come up here and start investigating. I'm going to look at my work G54 coordinate values. He has sent this part to X minus 850 thousandths. I set 0 in the upper left-hand corner, so minus 850 thousandths should be to the left of the part, right? I look in here, looks like it's going where he told it to go, doesn't it? So I look back up here and it says he went to Y0. Okay, well, let me see. The corner of my part is 0, so the center of my end mill should be at the corner of my part in Y. I look in here. Huh, yeah, that looks like it, doesn't it? So, my confidence level comes up. The machine's going where he's telling it to go and where I expect it to be. See how that works? I'm verifying my tool offsetter, my fixture offsetting, and now my tool offset. How far above that part am I?
Probably about 2 inches.
60.
2 inches?
Probably about an inch.
You've been lying for a long time. You're starting to believe that's about 2 inches.
No, that's barely over half an inch.
I'm going to call it an inch.
No, I'll say that should be
It's
about an inch.
I mean, here's an inch, right?
I can't see.
That's about an inch. And I can look in here and see, okay, that's about an inch above the part. So when I look up here, where does the machine think it's at? An inch above the part, inch and a thousandth and a half. So and it's where it told it to go, and now where's it going to go? It's going to go straight down to 100 thousandths. Then it's going to feed down to Z0. So hey, I'm feeling pretty good about these next couple of lines, right? That makes sense? I'm building my confidence by what's happening. So I'm going to hit the cycle start. I'll check up here. Okay, I'm about 100 thousandths away. I'm looking pretty good, feeling pretty good. 72 thousandths away. I've hit my Z0, where I'm headed, and now what's it going to do? It's going to stay at Y0, and it's going to move positive in X to 4 inches, 850 thousandths. So this looks to me like he's going to base this part, right? So let's close it. We don't want
Which
this
corner did you zero?
Upper left.
Upper left.
Upper left. Yep.
And we're zeroing from home, from machine home.
From machine home, my zero's
That's
over
why it's
here.
-8. Okay.
Yeah, that's why he went negative
So we have
from
a
the
cloth
part
in the back, just
program
wipe out the
0.
front of the window here. Otherwise, if the light's too high.
Comes over here, comes, oh, he goes positive. All right, so here, what do we just find out?
He's going the wrong
He
direction.
went the wrong direction.
He's going positive instead of negative.
Positives
He
away.
didn't go the wrong direction. I didn't do anything wrong. The difference is his 0 is on the bottom left-hand corner of the part.
I was so hurt.
And if I looked at, remember I set the 0 before I looked at the program, right? Now that I look at a program, notice something. All of his Y's are positive, which tells me, all right, he's doing all of his machining above the 0 point, right? So we know for a fact that's a 4x4 block. Watch me cheat. Offset, I'm going to go Y minus 4.0. I just shifted my Y minus 4 inches. That's a 4-inch block. So using my math in my head, I just told it go minus 4 inches.
So it's
It did the math and set it where it's supposed to
It'll do
be.
it through the whole program?
So it's going to go
You have
in the
to
opposite
reset
direction.
it back, or will it?
I'm going to start over. We're going to go reset memory current command, cycle start. Off it comes to the bottom left corner. Down she goes. Feed hold, we check everything. Does everything look good, guys?
Yeah.
We love it. How come it always wants to throw them at me?
Why is he getting 485?
He's going, it's supposed to be a 4-inch block. This block is called horribly crooked and short. But if it was a 4-inch block, he's going 850,000 with the center of his end
So
mill.
he's cutting some on that house. Okay.
He's just making sure he clears the part. Yeah, we went up 850,000 to Y. He's using 85% of a 1-inch end mill. So he's overlapping his passes a couple of times, 200 or 150,000. Now, something I'm going to look at here. Do you see any Z moves? Not until we get right here, and it's a positive Z move, so 100,000 above. So I'm confident that I can just hit cycle start and not worry about the next move and what it's going to do.
That is hilarious. I can't see it, but I can see it on my video.
Well, because I closed most of the door and just.
You didn't break that zip down, did you?
What? Oh no, that was that's for now. Don't worry about it. You did not break my tablet screen. Don't worry.
I saw you throw it on the ground earlier.
Yeah, no, that wasn't that.
Now, he's taking an extra pass. He cleaned it up with the 4-inch 330 pass. It came up, still coming up. Going to go up and do a tool change. After the tool change, what's going to happen? In program reset. We activated a program. We made some adjustments to his program. We ran his program. We safely proved an unknown, probably written by a high school student, but we verified every step of the way. We weren't just verifying his program. We were verifying my setup. Did I initially set the fixture offset correctly? No, but did I catch it?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Based on what the machine was doing, it was easy to see where he set his offset,
Mm-hmm.
right? And I was looking for a 7M part. 7M part looked bad, remember? So we went to an 8M part. 8M sets off the lower left corner. Kind of cool?
Yeah.
You guys have seen the whole process from powering up a machine to a machined part. And all we did was just a facing operation, but understand that the more code, the more program that there is, the more complex part you can do. But that's the steps required. Any questions? Be more comfortable ask questions in the classroom?
Yeah.
Let's go on in there and have a sit.